Well, hello guys, I hope you are all well. Well, join me for another video, and my attention has certainly changed now to perch. Perch will be the big goal now over the winter. We might do a few pike videos, but a nice perch is what I want. I'm hoping for my local river I can get a 2-pounder and a 2-pounder from another river. Really, I just want a 2-pound perch. I don't ask for a lot, do I? Well, this one is just down the local river for a morning for a few hours. I'm with Tom Baird. It's not really a competition, although obviously we do see who catches the most. It's me. I mean, it's no surprise, is it? Really hope you guys enjoy this one. I'll start rolling the clips. I'll catch you in a bit. You had to outdo me with the logs, didn't you? That's what that is. You needed to catch a bigger log than me. I don't believe you. I mean... Oh, it was a little baby pike. He's still going. Look, you see him? Yeah. Little baby pike. I'm going to say that was a catch and release. That was a very quick catch and release. Yeah. At least I'm getting bites. Yep.
Oh, come back to bite me, didn't it?
Boom.
Oh, here we go. These off.
Hey. The core 21. Look at that. There you go, guys.
CPS water jet.
Huh?
Fished in the CPS water jet.
No.
You haven't?
No. Oh, this guy's fuming. Huh? No, it's gonna leave him there. Maybe not. Maybe not there. There we go, guys. Lovely little swim. Who lives here? Of course.
There we go.
Mr. Perchy.
Little pike.
There you go. Tom, he's just got a pike. Perch and a pike. Let's get him back. Let's have a look at him. He looks tiny. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Can you even call it a pike?
No, you can't. Got a little jack.
Not even a jack, is it? It's a cucumber. Do you need a hand?
Just typical pike. Like bigger things, one what they can actually
Eat.
yeah.
Well done, mate. Off the mark. I mean, that has never been caught before.
No. Yes.
Hey, I've got a little pike.
Have you got a pike?
Yeah. Same sort. Oh, it's came off.
Oh, is it? Oh, it don't count then.
I was holding it in the air, to be fair, to show you.
I didn't see that. Yeah. Did you land it with your net or in your hand?
I was swinging it. I could have grabbed it, but I've thrown it out to show you.
Hanging down.
You see it on camera, mate.
Yeah, what, get away?
You bastard.
Is that on camera?
Yeah, I'll put that in the video too. I'm in. Chunky perch. Here we go, guys. Very nice fish. Huh? Oh, I had a chalk, but I came here. I mean,
Really?
yeah.
What
Nice perch. But you shouldn't lift. Oh, God, yeah. Yeah, fuck me, that's better than I thought it was. Probably shouldn't have lifted that one. Lovely fish. Let's put him in the holding net as well. That's Billericay straight mill. It's not too bad. Oh, I'm in. Nice perch.
Ooh. Look at you.
Oh, he splashed my camera. Huh? Yeah, 3D. Well guys, that is the end of the video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought. And of course, smash the subscribe button. It really means a lot to every single one of you that subscribe. It honestly really does. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time for the next instalment.